Right, we have something to tell you about elephants. We've been trying all afternoon to think of a really funny headline about elephants.
Yeah, but the sound of elephants talking to each other in what's being called a secret language has been recorded by researchers in San Diego Zoo.
They fitted the animals with collars containing infrasound recording equipment to...
You're not going to start giggling, are you? Yes.
No.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering what's coming next. To demonstrate that while many of the sounds used by elephants are too low for humans to hear, actually the elephants talk to each other.
Yeah. Important information such as the arrival of a new baby. Our science correspondent, Palab Ghosh...
You'd know if a baby elephant had been born, wouldn't you? I mean, you couldn't miss it.
You couldn't miss it. Yeah, but maybe if there are... Anyway, Palab Ghosh is going to explain it.
We all know the elephant's familiar trumpeting, but they also make another kind of sound, one that's usually inaudible to the human ear. It's been called the elephant secret language. Well, someone who's been investigating this language is Matt Anderson of San Diego Zoo. Matt, could you first of all tell me in a little more detail what you're actually analysing?
Absolutely. As you mentioned, the trumpet call is very familiar to your audience, but one other call that elephants regularly make, the rumble call, may be less familiar. It sounds rather like a growling noise, and part of it, about a third of it, is inaudible to us. It's very low frequency.
And you're trying to find out more about it, and you've used this piece of equipment, this collar. Could you talk me through what you've got?
We designed this leather collar for two reasons. We've got a GPS unit that's waterproof, and we have a second box that is effectively an audio recorder. So it's not only where the individuals are, but who they may be hanging out with and what they're saying to one another during those situations.
So have you made any discoveries yet as to what they're saying to each other in this secret language?
We've been looking at pregnant cows, and we've seen, after their relatively long gestation of over 2 years, in the last 10, 12 days, we see a manipulation of that small area of that rumble call, the low part we can't hear. And it seems to be announcing to the rest of the herd that the baby's imminent. So we're interested in understanding why the mom is manipulating that rumble call and why she would be announcing that. We have seen behavioural changes after the rest of the herd, the other females, hear this call, and it appears to be that it will be manipulated in the wild to protect the newborn.
Fascinating stuff, Matt. So researchers are still going through the data they've collected to find out what else they can learn about the elephant's secret language.
The elephant in the room by Palab Ghosh.